guys, just checking in for a quick luxury tax tip. There's some construction going on next door, so hopefully I can try and drown that out. Anyhow, today I'm going over one of the most common expenses for businesses, advertising and marketing. Okay, so the IRS knows that when you advertise your business, you're hoping to attract paying customers. Because of this, the IRS has created a deduction just for this category of expense. There's all types of ad and marketing channels, a lot I don't even know about, but the most common I've come across are paid social media ads, like for Instagram or Facebook, paid promotions, like if you pay an influencer to post your content, your website creation and hosting fees, as well as SSL security fees, so your website can be secure. If you put your brand on clothing like t-shirts, hats, sweatshirts, or even cups, pens, notebooks, or whatever else you can think of, those are all deductible. Photo or video shoot costs are also deductible, including hair or haircut, makeup, special outfits. If you rent a car or an Airbnb for the shoot, these things can all be deductible as well. If you rent a billboard or a bus bench sign or the sign on the actual side of the bus, that can all be deductible as well. The real qualification for expenses to be deductible is the expense must be ordinary and necessary to your business. You should also document the finished product along with all receipts as proof in the event you're ever audited by the IRS. So if you did do a photo shoot or video shoot, make sure you actually use the finished product on your website or social media to attract more customers. I once read of an actual case that went before the IRS because a luxury real estate agent bought a yacht to take her clients on tours of waterfront homes. The IRS tried to disallow her deduction, but she was able to prove the yacht was ordinary and necessary for her business. She has a luxury brand and provides an upscale service to clients in order to receive very large compensations. She might not be able to make the same profit if she was giving her clients tours in a Honda per se, right? Yeah. She ended up winning her case and the IRS allowed her to keep her yacht deduction.
Ow.
So always make sure to check with your tax professional before making the purchase to see if it's deductible or how you can actually make the expense deductible for your business. What are some advertising or marketing strategies that you are using in your business or that you tried before? Let me know below. Let's talk about it. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with a business owner who could use this information. Check you guys on the next luxury tax tip.